solve this WAEC question on the board. The question says, the third and seventh term of a GP are 9 and 1 over 9 respectively. Find the first term. Now, this GP is a geometric progression. Remember that in geometric progression, we have that Tn, which is n term, is equal to AR n minus 1, where n here is the term or the position you are looking for. A is the first term, the first number in that sequence. R is the common ratio. N here and N here are the same thing. Okay, now since the question says that the third term and the seventh term of a GP are 9 and 1 over 9, that means respectively means that third term is 9, seventh term is 1 over 9. So we go Tn. Here we'll now have T3 is equal to A, which is our first term, common difference raised to power 3 minus 1 will be equal to what? 9. This is to tell us that A raised to power 3 minus 1 will give us 2 is equal to 9. We'll call this equation 1. Now let's go to the second part. The seventh term, we have T7 is equal to AR raised to power 7 minus 1 is equal to 1 over 9. Now we have that AR 7 minus 1 will give us what? 6 is equal to 1 over 9. We call this equation 2. Now for us to find the value of R, we need to eliminate A. Okay, now we are going to say equation 2 divide by equation 1. So it will be like this. AR raised to power 6 over AR raised to power 2 is equal to, here, 1 over 9 divided by 9. Okay? Now, this is the same thing as, here is the same thing as 9 raised to power minus 1 is the same thing as 1 over 9. Okay? So we now have that this A will cancel this A. Remember the law of indices. A raised to power m over A raised to power n is equal to A raised to power m minus n. So we are going to apply this here. This will now give us R is equal to 6 minus 2, which is equal to, here we are going to have 9 raised to power minus 1 minus 1. 9 here is raised to power 1. So applying the same law we applied here, we now have 9 raised to power minus 1 for this one minus the power of the denominator, which is 1. So we have R raised to power 6 minus 2 give us what? 4, equal to 9 raised to power minus 2. Okay, remember that 9 is the same thing as 3 raised to power 2. So we have that R raised to power 4 is equal to 3 raised to power 2 times minus 2, which is the same thing as R raised to power 4 is equal to 3 raised to power minus 4. Now, we are going to take the fourth root of both sides, or we multiply the powers by 1 over 4. Do you get? Remember that A raised to power 1 over 2 is the same thing as square root of A. A raised to power 1 over 5 is the same thing as fifth root of A. Now for us to remove this 1 over 5 here, we multiply the powers by 5. So let's multiply. We have R raised to power 4 times 1 over 4 is equal to 3 raised to power minus 4 times 1 over 4. 4 will cancel this 4, we remain with R. R here is equal to 4 cancel 4. We are left with 3 raised to power minus 1. Are we there? 3 raised to power minus 1. This is to tell us that now R is equal to 1 over 3. This is our common ratio. Now, having gotten this, remember we're asked to find the first term. We are going to substitute the value of r in either of the equations. Now, let me take equation 1. Our equation 1 says that ar square is equal to 9. Our r now is what? 1 over 3. We have a bracket 1 over 3 all square is equal to 9. Now, this is the same thing as a times 1 over 9. Remember, 1 over 3 square will give us 1 over 3 times 1 over 3. So this is equal to 9. We're going to divide both sides by the coefficient of a. Okay, so we have a is equal to, a bracket 1 over 9 divided by 1 over 9 is equal to 9 over 1 over 9. This cancel this, we have a equal to, remember, we are going to change this to multiplication and this will turn upside down. This will be 9 over 1 times 9 over 1, which is equal to 9 times 9 will give us what? 81. So our a, which is our first term, is equal to 81. Okay, now if this is the first time you are coming across our video, please like, share and follow us for more videos. Now use this value a equal to 81, r equal to 1 over 3 and find the 12th term of this geometric progression.